As we head into our long weekend, we have 3-day weekend. A really great resource for your child is the Sora library. It is our online library. All they have to do is open up their Chromebook, and when they sign in, they'll be taken to this page here. Um, the app looks like this. You click onto it. When you click on Lancaster School District, sign in using, and it'll ask for the credentials as your child already has it there. And when they log in, Sora has a great selection of magazines. They can read any of these magazines. I know there's like a Minecraft World highlights all these great ones. There is also magazines for adults. I do know that they have Rolling Stones. I read the Doja Cat article, pretty good one. If you have want to take a look at that. But they have you can do all these different searches. These are all books that are available. If they have the little headphones there, that means it's an audiobook that they are able to listen to. All different types of books. I mean, there's just tons and tons and tons of them for all different grade levels, all different genres, everything. So they even have books for our younger students, all different types of things that they can go ahead. It's just almost endless, but they have tons of them here. So all they can do is explore. They can take a look at all the different types of materials that they're available for them. And then so they'll be able to have this nice 3-day weekend. If you are not planning on going anywhere, they can curl up with a nice either audiobook or electronic book, and they can keep those reading skills alive. If you have any questions, just give us a call and we'll be more than happy to walk you or your child through. Thank you so much.